True labor contractions and Braxton Hicks. Save this one because you might need it. This is your uterus. That is your baby's head. This is your cervix. Before you go into labor, when you might be having Braxton Hicks, your cervix isn't changed at all. It is long, it is thick, and it's not really dilated all that much. And when you have Braxton Hicks contractions, they sort of contract irregularly from the sides of your uterus. Your cervix is still thick, it is still long, and it is still closed. Nothing is really happening. Then we fire some oxytocin into your system, and now we get true labor contractions. There is actually cervical change coming because your baby's head is being applied onto your cervix, is going to cause more oxytocin to be released, which is going to cause your contractions to get stronger and longer and closer together. And you can see your cervix now, it has thinned out and it is dilating. And that's going to continue happening and more and more and more until you have your baby. Braxton Hicks contractions. These are going to be less intense on the pain scale and irregular in timing. They are not going to be getting more intense as time goes on because they're not causing that cervical change. And then comfort measures are usually effective for Braxton Hicks. True labor contractions, on the other hand, they are causing cervical change. These are going to be more intense on the pain scale and they're going to become regular in timing. And these contractions, they are going to get more painful as time goes on. And these comfort measures are no longer going to be as effective. Not everyone's labor is the same. So if you're ever concerned, be sure to make contact with your provider. But what did your true labor contractions feel like? How did you know it was the real deal?